Hello friend, I hope you're watching me. Uh, at first, you need to access your website. I'm accessing your website. Okay. Yes, I already access your website. Then you need to go visit here. This is your website, right? This is your website. So if you want to change your website, I've got this. So this is your website, right? So if you need to change anything, uh, in this page, this is a page, right? This is not header, this is header, and this is the menu bar, and this is footer. I am showing you how to change the home page, right? So you need to just uh, go here, just control and click, left click, I mean control, press control and right click. Then we'll go to this page. Yes, we have got this page. Now you'll be able to edit everything. You can edit this text, this image, this is image, this is image, this also image, this is also image, right? So you can change anything. This is text, you can change this text. Just you need to delete. Okay, you need to delete. And as like we delete um, all thing, and we can say ACADI and heading, right? So by this type you can change everything. You need to just click. This is the section of blog. So um, also you can edit everything. You just need to go there. You will find everything, every section, one by one you can edit. I hope you understand these sections. If you don't understand, then just call me or message me, I'll help you. And this is also the blog, nothing else. You'll be able to change everything. If you want to change the picture, then just replace it. Okay, replace it, upload. You can upload it or you can take it from your library. It's your wish. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So this is the homepage edit system. So after complete editing, you need to uh, update here. Okay, without updating, it's not work. Okay, so if you want to, I got it live. If you want to change the logo, then you need to go to the elements and then press Ctrl and click, right click on your mouse side top bar hook. We will go to the home page. I need to link up with the logo. Yes, we have got it. This is your logo, right? You can you need to just replace it. Okay, so I'm linking the home page. This is the home page. Okay, this is linked now. I hope you understand what you need to do. Okay, this is very easy. I hope you'll be able. You need to just update after complete edit. You need to just, you can add text or anything here. If you need, then just message me, I will help you. Okay, and then if you need to change the footer, then you need to go here elements and then side footer, and then control and right click on your mouse. Yes, here you will get your footer. Yes, you already get it. Then you need to change everything one by one. Okay, one by one. And if you want to link any text, then you need to select all, and you need to go here and click and just paste here. Okay, paste any link just like this one. Okay, then you need to click here. Then it will be link up. Okay, and then you need to save. I hope you understand how to do. If you need any more help, I will help you fully free. Don't worry about it. No need to pay me. Okay, thank you, my dear friend. Bye bye.